Hi, Jenny here. Today I thought I would continue the St. Patrick's Day theme, and we are going to make some chocolate covered rainbow pretzels. So let's get started. For this recipe you will need some white chocolate melts or some white chocolate chips, some pretzel rods, and then the colored sugar sprinkles of the colors of the rainbow. We will melt our candy melts over the stove in a pot over low heat. Alright, when the melts are just about totally melted, you can turn off the heat so it doesn't overheat. Goodness, there's squeak in here. Whee! Alright. For now, I'm going to remove this from the heat, and while it's sitting there, I have a piece of wax paper, and we're going to take our colored sugar sprinkles. Actually, I'm going to lay out a pretzel. See about how big a pretzel is, and we'll lay out our colored sprinkles on here. We're going to roll our pretzel in a line to coat it. And I've also put a piece of wax paper on a cookie sheet. So after we dip the pretzels and roll them, then we'll just put them on there to dry up. So take our pretzel, coat it with the chocolate. Tap off some of the extra. Get some shaking off the extra, huh? Got enough on there. And we will roll it. Missing some in there. It must be a dip. And we'll place it aside to dry. And you want to get as much of the excess off as you can so that when you're dipping it in the colored sugars, it's not just going to leave a bunch of chocolate on your wax paper sheet there. So we need just enough coating on the pretzel to be able to pick up the sprinkles. I've never rolled pretzels in sprinkles before. I've made chocolate covered pretzels before, but I haven't rolled them. Usually what I do is just sprinkle whatever decoration I'm putting on there. So I'm finding as I do this, as you see that some of the pretzel has a curve in it, so as I'm going, some of the part of the pretzel is not being covered. But I found if I get here towards the end, and then I just kind of curl up the wax paper and kind of push it up against there, that will cover those spots. Alright, I've been going for a little while now, and my chocolate has hardened up, so I'm going to reheat it. But to do that, they also say to add a little bit of shortening, like a teaspoon or two of shortening in there, so that it'll soften up easier. Okay, I have filled up my pan with pretzels. That was pretty much about the whole bag of what were full pretzels. I still have a little bit of chocolate left, so I will finish up some of the broken pretzels just for the heck of it. But anyways, I'm going to throw these in the freezer so that they can harden quickly. The chocolate has hardened on the pretzel now, so we have our cute little rainbow. It'll go really well with the pot of gold cake cookies I made the other day. So chocolate covered pretzels are also very versatile. You can put any type of decoration on them, make them for any holiday. Put different colored sprinkles, different type of jimmies, different decorations. So that's always nice. And you can serve them laying on a platter or maybe upright in a cup. Put a bunch of them together, that'll look really pretty. Or for me, throw them in a baggie and share them with friends. So I'm going to enjoy this. You guys let me know if you've ever made chocolate covered pretzels before. I know at bake sales that I've been at, if there are chocolate covered pretzels, that's like the first item to go. So I know I really enjoy them. It's sweet and salty. So keep it positive, go make it a great day, and may the wind always be at your back. Bye-bye. Oh, that's really good.